Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. CRNC stock, current stock, sitting at 9.51 and after hours. This is trading in a tight range. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that tight range. I love tight ranges because that means we're consolidating and at some point we could get a big run. Here it went inside a tight range. And guess what happened? Eventually a big breakout. So if history repeats, we could see a similar breakout. Of course here, tight range and we broke down. So, you can't be too cocky. But anytime we've gotten a tight range, we get a big move either direction. So the play here would be to buy at $8.25 with a stop loss at 7.99, and of course you hold and you can flip it at the top of the range if you want. Clearly there's opportunity to flip it at the top of the range, or you can just hold to see if it eventually does get that big breakout, because once it breaks out it can go to 16, possibly back to 27. So that there's money to be made here, but you got to have that stop loss at 7.99 to protect yourself in case it does decide to do this. Once that big move starts in either direction, like, you got to respect, shorts have to respect this stock if it starts running. On the other side, you got to respect this if it breaks down. You can't just be like, I'm going to remove my stop loss and hold the bag and no. That stop loss is there to protect yourself from getting destroyed on this big move here. Because you never know when it might become the next mullen. Well, it looks like a mullen, actually, it just keeps going down, but again, even on a stock that trends downward, there's opportunities. So there's your play. That's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one.